No, no. O sea, entiendo, pero no sé contestar. Ah, okay.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
All right. It's beautiful. You want to take some photos?
Yes, she's so good.
She's good? Okay.
Ah, te quiere sacar fotos.
Sí, sí, eso lo entiendo.
¿Y vos querés?
It's free.
You
No
want
problem.
photos of her for
Yes.
for
Instagram, and I could send it to you, and I also send the pictures to her. No problem.
This is you?
Yes, that's me. Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. Stay right here in the shade. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Not a problem.
Sit or?
However you want, whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you like.
Yo corro,
Back up a little bit. Okay, it's beautiful. Well, you really can't see it now. If you can just peek in there.
No, yes,
Or you can
I
it?
see
Okay.
this.
All right, so.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All righty. Bye-bye.